it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently May 8th. It is Saturday, May 8th, and I am currently about to head over to the dentist this morning. I kept putting off going to the dentist, so I'm like, I had to reschedule again. So I rescheduled, and I'm going to the dentist this morning just for your, you know, good checkup. And then after that, I'm gonna go get my nails done because my nails are, we have broken nail. I have one broken nail here and then two broken nails on this finger. I just went to the bank, got gas in my car, you know, all the boring errands that you have to run. And then I am gonna head to the dentist, but I just wanted to come on here and say hello. I'm starting a weekend vlog. I asked you guys over on Instagram if you guys want to see me vlog more, and a lot of you did, so that's what we're doing today. So my sunglasses, I'm going to get questions because I've already gotten questions about them on Instagram. They're from Amazon. I will link them down below. What else? I feel like I have so many things to update you guys on. Oh, I also joined Like to Know It. I got a lot of questions about joining that. A lot of people were like, can you join Like to Know It so I can shop your outfits? So I did join Like to Know It. I'll leave that information in the description box below. Whenever I post outfits on Instagram, I will be updating my Like to Know It account as well, so that you guys can see exactly what I'm wearing, where I got it from, and all that. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. Oh yeah, I celebrated my 27th birthday last week. It was on April 29th. Super exciting. I just spent the day with my mom. We did some shopping, we ate, we had a good dinner, and then I went out with two of my coworkers, which at this point they're like my really good friends, and so we went out to dinner. And yeah, I just kind of chill weekend because there wasn't really much to do. But if I can insert some clips from my birthday, I will insert them here, because I did make a balloon arch with my mom from Dollar Tree. Super easy and simple. And yeah, so if I can insert that footage from my iPhone, because I'm having problems inserting the iPhone footage to my MacBook, so I don't know, but if I can get it, you'll see it here. If not, sorry. Alright guys, so this is the final product of what we did, me and my mom. My mom helped me with my balloon arch, which was all made from the Dollar Tree, so you guys can definitely do those balloon like arches without spending a ton of money. So I probably spent maybe $10 on that. I got the confetti balloons from there, and then my number balloons I got from Party City, and then I also got this like iridescent streamer things. They're like the curtain iridescent ones at Hobby Lobby. And then I also have these other balloons over here, but they just kind of didn't fit the vibe, so we might just take other pictures outside. But this is the overall little thing. Shout out to my mom for helping me last night make that balloon arch. So I also took a picture with my Villa One tequila, my birthday presents to open, which we'll open later, and I will record, and I'll show you guys my cake too that we got because it's cute. It's like funfetti cake. So okay, here's my birthday cake. Pretty with the decorations. Yum. Another update, your girl is fully vaccinated, which I am so excited about. My parents, as well as my brother, we are all fully vaccinated as of this week, but obviously you have to wait the 2 weeks to be like considered fully vaxxed. But we did get both of our doses. My entire family did get the Pfizer vaccine. I got a lot of questions on Instagram what vaccine that we got. We all got Pfizer. I also got a few questions about any side effects or anything like that. So when I got the first dose of the vaccine, I did just get really, really tired and a sore arm. So I just drank a ton of fluids, went to bed. Same thing for the rest of my family. Everyone just kind of had a sore arm. And then the second dose of the vaccine, my dad and my brother literally had, I don't think, any symptoms or side effects. They literally just had a sore arm. And I'm not sure if my brother had the chills or not. I can't really remember. Second dose, I had a little bit of like muscle body ache pain, and then my arm was really sore, but other than that, was a pleasant experience, would do it again. And then my mom, she did end up having like a little bit of chills, a little bit of body aches, a headache, and a sore arm, and then she was fine. So, but yeah, I'm very, very grateful, very thankful and blessed that we were able to get the vaccine. And so I'm gonna head over to the dentist and get these teeth cleaned, and then go get my nails done. So I'll show you guys what they look like after I get them done. And then I have a swimwear haul to film for Cup Sheet today. maybe get some TikToks in, get some Instagram content in. That's what we're gonna try to do. So let's get this weekend vlog going, and I will see you guys when I go and get my nails done. Okay guys, so I'm back from the dentist. I'm waiting to leave in a few just to go get my nails done with my mom. Focus camera. I set up the little dining room area where we did all my birthday stuff last week, but I put some stuff up for Mother's Day. So I got my mom these really pretty flowers from the grocery store this morning. I got her another thing of flowers as well. Let me go get those. These are the other flowers that I got my mom. I got her pink roses. They're super pretty. You can hear the leaf blower outside because, once again, you guys already know, if you watch my channel, my dad's always outside in the garage. He's always cutting the grass, doing the leaf blower, whatever it is, whenever I'm filming anything. He just always is out there. And then I picked up a few other things from the grocery store. I got these really pretty little potted tulips. I'm gonna give this to my nail lady today for Mother's Day. And then I picked up these little white daisies. It's like a planted pot as well. And we're gonna go to the cemetery and put those down for my grandma. So I also wanted to show you the rest of the balloon stuff that we did. So I went to Dollar Tree, got everything from Dollar Tree. I got these really pretty balloons that say Happy Mother's Day. This one's my favorite. I think it's such a pretty, like, little balloon. I got this little mom thing from Dollar Tree. This balloon. This is another one of my favorite ones. It says Mama Bear on it. So love that. And then I just reused my little party things that I used, but I thought that was so cute. And yeah, we're gonna go get our nails done, and then we're gonna head over to the outlet mall. Because I'm just gonna take my mom shopping today. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I cannot wait to get my nails done. Also, the dentist went well. I only had one cavity, which was better than last time. Last time, because it was a long time since I got my like cleaning done because of the pandemic last year. It was like literally like I had 6 cavities that one time. So this time only 1, so that's great. But I can't wait to go get my nails done because I can't take it anymore. So that's what we're doing. I wanted to check in, show you guys the little decorations. They're so pretty. And yeah, I'll see you guys after we get my nails done. Hey guys, hello. I am sitting down getting ready because I'm going to film. It's like way later in the day. It's literally about to be 5 o'clock. I just got back home. These are my new nails. Beautiful Barbie pink vibes. We love. Got the eyebrows done. Feeling good. So we're gonna get putting our makeup on because I have to film a video for Cupshe, the swimsuit haul, and then I need to probably do some, I think I'm gonna do a TikTok as well. I am just gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm watching old episodes of The Real Housewives. Oh my gosh. I'm watching old episodes of The Real Housewives of Atlanta, and we're just gonna get ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and then I'll see you guys a little bit later. I just wanted to check in, say hello, got my nails done. We're feeling good. Okay guys, so I just finished filming my Cupshe try-on haul. I just had to film the try-on part, but I just wanted to quickly pop in here and show you guys like 2 of my favorite swimsuits. You guys are already gonna see this video before this vlog goes up, but this swimsuit from Cupshe, like the beautiful orange braided contrast, like everything about summer in this. I'm obsessed with this one. I got in a size extra large, and then the other one that I'm loving so much is this gingham print style one. So pretty. You get like little crossed back, and it goes into this black like rouged swimsuit. Absolutely obsessed. I will link them both down below, as well as that video to the Cupshe haul, because you guys, you have to try them. They're so cute. So I'm gonna try this try-on portion right now, and I also am gonna go get my other tripod that I got for my birthday from my mom and my brother, so that I can start filming TikToks a little bit more. So that's what we're gonna do. If you guys haven't already, follow me over on TikTok. I'll leave it down below. I'm trying to get into the TikTok game, but don't know if that's gonna happen. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and film all that stuff because your girl's getting tired. It's 6 o'clock, and I need to get it together because your girl wants to reward herself with a Dairy Queen ice cream cone. So let's film this. Okay guys, so it's been a few hours. I have not vlogged. Actually, it's been a day since I vlogged last. I'm putting you guys down here. I am about to take off my makeup and wash my face for the night, but since I was in here, I wanted to share with you guys a few things that I've been loving recently. So I am on my very last bit of my micellar water, so I bought another one. I'm obsessed with this stuff. This is how I've been taking off my makeup. I've completely gone away from taking off my makeup with the makeup wipes because I just feel like it was being very aggressive on my face, so I stopped using that. And I just been using micellar water and these little cotton rounds to just wash my face with micellar water, take it off. And then what I've been washing my face with is, I actually got a facial recently from We Skin Bar in Elmhurst, Illinois. If you live in the Chicagoland area, Elmhurst area, I will leave the information of where I got my facial done, but she actually used and gave me one of these blemish control bars from PCA Skin, which I have been using this to wash my face, and I swear it's changed my face. So all I do is like literally take this little brush like this, get it wet, like swish it around in here, and then rub it onto my face and wash my face with it, and it's been doing wonders for my skin. And then occasionally, if I want to do any type of like face mask type of deal, I've been using this Yensia Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. It looks like this. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I use that sometimes, haven't used that in a while, but then to exfoliate my skin at least once or twice a week, mostly once a week, I've been using this Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. It looks like this. Again, this is another product that I got from my BoxyCharm that I've been really, really loving lately. So that's what I've been using to wash my face and all of that. That's kind of what I've been doing for skincare. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup. But I just wanted to come on here and close out the vlog. I don't know how much of the vlog I'm going to put in, but you guys want to start seeing vlogging more. So definitely with the weather getting nicer out, it's going to be easier for me to vlog some stuff. Once I start going out and doing some more things, I'm definitely going to be vlogging more and just trying to keep up with my YouTube and really push and work really, really hard on it, because I kind of been slacking, and I love YouTube and I love interacting with you guys. So yeah. So that's that, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. 90 Day Fiancé is coming on and your girl has to watch it. Let me know if you're watching it. I also got Discovery Plus just so I could watch 90 Day Single Life. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, day, night, whenever you're watching this video. And I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye! Okay, here's my birthday cake. Pretty with the decorations. Yum.